Ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-new 2026 Lexus GX 460, the off-road luxury monster that just went through a massive evolution. Bigger stance, tougher attitude, and an interior that looks like a 5-star cabin on wheels. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what might be one of the most capable luxury SUVs of the next decade. Buckle up, because Lexus is officially done playing around. Let's start with the face, because this new front end is bold. The iconic Lexus spindle grille is now more geometric and more muscular, with that massive honeycomb pattern giving the SUV a seriously intimidating presence on the road. The LED daytime light signature, sharper, cleaner, and now with triple beam projectors that make the GX look like it's staring straight into your soul. Move to the side profile and you immediately feel the off-road DNA. High ground clearance, squared-off fenders, and a strong shoulder line running all the way to the back. This isn't a soft luxury SUV. This thing wants dirt, mud, rock, snow, whatever you throw at it. The rear end gets a full-width LED light bar with the bold Lexus lettering across the tailgate. And this is where the new GX looks the most futuristic. Clean lines, rugged bumper, exposed tow hooks, everything screams capability. The front cabin is a perfect merge between luxury and durability. Leather surfaces everywhere, soft touch materials, real stitching, and a layout that feels solid and modern. The steering wheel, wrapped beautifully with metallic accents, sitting in front of a fully digital instrument cluster that looks crystal clear. The center display is huge. Lexus is using a large touchscreen with upgraded software that's smoother, faster, and smarter. You get wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and one of the cleanest interface designs in the segment. The center console is redesigned with a new terrain control dial, electronic shifter, and brushed metal accents that look extremely premium. This interior feels like a modern luxury off-roader, not just a dressed-up truck. And check out the second row. This is where passengers win big. The seats are wide, supportive, and finished in premium leather. You've got rear climate control, USB ports, and ambient lighting running across the door panels. Legroom has improved thanks to the updated platform, and the view out the window is panoramic thanks to the tall, boxy design. This is the kind of second row that makes road trips feel like business class seating. Now let's talk power, because the 2026 Lexus GX 460 keeps its legendary heart. Under the hood, you still get the 4.6-liter V8 engine, known for durability, smoothness, and mountain climbing torque. Lexus is expected to refine the engine for slightly improved efficiency and emissions, but the soul remains the same. Power output estimates are around 301 horsepower and 329 pound-feet of torque, sent through a 6-speed automatic transmission. And yes, full-time 4-wheel drive is still here. Crawl control, multi-terrain select, locking differential, this SUV isn't pretending, it's built for the wild. Want a luxury truck that'll still run after 400,000 kilometers? This is it. On-road, the GX feels confident, cushioned, and solid. Off-road, it transforms into a tank, able to climb steep trails, maneuver rocky passes, and handle deep mud without breaking a sweat. Lexus engineered this generation to be both refined and unstoppable. For the 2026 model year, pricing is expected to land around base GX 460, around $62,000, premium trim, $68,000, luxury trim, $74,000, off-road or over-trail variant, $78,000 plus. That places the GX right in the sweet spot between premium luxury and hardcore off-road capability. And the competition? It's stacked. The 2026 Land Rover Defender 110, Toyota Land Cruiser 250 or 300 series, Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk, Ford Bronco Raptor, different vibe but same audience, and Mercedes G-Class, way pricier but similar spirit. But here's the thing. None of them combine Lexus reliability with this level of luxury and ruggedness. That's what makes the GX a unicorn. The 2026 Lexus GX 460 Next Gen is exactly what fans hope for. Rugged, modern, premium, reliable, and engineered for adventure. It's not trying to look like a mall SUV, it's not pretending to be soft. This is a true off-road luxury machine, built for people who actually leave the pavement. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that'll survive the next decade while making you feel like a king inside, the new GX 460 needs to be on your radar. Drop a comment, smash the like button, and hit subscribe for more next-gen car breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.